Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Hunley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for September 18th to October 2nd. Going to first talk about Tropical Depression Nicholas. You can see we have Nicholas down here along the Gulf Coast. I got to get my mouse situated. Okay. And it will slowly dissipate as it moves across this area, but it'll bring a lot of heavy rainfall across portions of the southeast, the central Gulf Coast through Friday. And this is the system now. Like, we're going to go here. You can see it at the start. This is 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Then we go to 8 p.m. Tonight. Then we go to 8 p.m. on Thursday, but there's still a lot of heavy rain here. And then we have this possible tropical development here near the southeast coast, and this has to be monitored right now. All the models take it generally out to sea, but we have other threats too to contend with. And we're going to take a look at the rainfall at the other maps. Okay, this is in, I think, 12-hour intervals. Okay, this is 8 p.m. tonight. Then we go to 8 a.m. tomorrow. This is the GFS forecast. And then we're on Friday. We still see a lot of heavy rain here. Then we look at the European, more heavy rainfall across portions of the Mississippi Valley in Alabama. And then we go to the other period. You can see there's still rainfall occurring across these areas. So there'll be pretty much, this is expected to cause a lot of flooding problems, flash flooding, river flooding, because this is an area that has received a lot of rain in the past. Okay, we're going to get to the forecast now, and we'll go back to the tropics. This is for the period September 18th to 22nd. And what we have here is a trough across the northwest, ridge, zone of flow here. We have a ridge over the east. Models a good agreement as we go through the various days in the models. So during this period, we have a tropical air mass across the Gulf Coast states and the southeast, resulting in additional rainfall for the Gulf Coast. Rain expected in the east. We'll take a look at that at the surface as a front moves through. Here on Thursday, you can see here's the GFS, here's the European. We have an area of heavy rainfall associated with the front. And then widespread rain is forecast for the northwest. And this rain could be locally heavy, and the precipitation will spread into the Intermountain West. Thereafter, there could be snow in the higher Cascades. Looking at the period for September 23rd to 27th. The flow transitions to a zone of flow with above normal heights across the country. We have a ridge here across the southern states in the Gulf of Mexico. So for this forecast period, I am calling for below normal temperatures here, with anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures forecast for much of this area here, with anomalies of up to 12 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for a portion of Washington and Oregon. And for this area here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. And we have below normal precipitation forecast for this region here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Looking ahead, now this is for the period September 28th to October 2nd. Slide it over a little bit. And little overall changes forecast in the flow. You can still see we have our zone of flow near to above normal heights. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures for much of this area here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of up to 8 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence 35 to 40%, and above normal precipitation forecast from the western Mississippi eastern Mississippi Valley to the Atlantic coast, with a probability of occurrence of 35 to 40%. Now we're going to go back to the tropics, and we have another system here that we're going to be watching. Is this the right map? Oh, right here. And this will be the system that is, we'll start from the beginning, that has emerged off the African coast. You see it right here. It's forecast to become a tropical depression at any moment. Now it's has a 90% chance by the National Hurricane Center. And as you look at the models, this is the one of the models here. This is the all right, we'll start from the beginning. I think this is GFS ensembles. Yeah, it's GFS ensembles. And we'll look at the European, UK Met, the Canadian. Let's see if we can get the Canadian. And then we'll look at the trends in the models. This is the GFS, the European. Here's the HMON. Just going to go through it, and here's the HWRF model. And then the several ensembles here. This is the GFS. The X's are Verify, the European. This is still days away. The UK, and then the Canadian. So there's a lot to watch going on in the tropics right now. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for September 18th to October 2nd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.